Welcome back to Ronnie, I'm Joe B. Today I'll show you how to palpate the quadriceps tendon, the patella, the patellar ligament, and the tibial tuberosity. Let's dive in. The patella protects the knee joint, increases the lever arm for the quadriceps to allow more effective knee bending and straightening. It has the patellar base, midpoint, and apex. Above the patellar base is the quadriceps tendon, and below the patellar apex is the patellar ligament. And the patellar ligament attaches to the quadriceps muscle through the tibial tuberosity. Before palpating, wash or sanitize your hands, then introduce yourself to the patient and what you are about to do to gather consent. Make sure that you use your finger pads, adhere to a broad contact, and avoid too much palpation pressure to maximize patient comfort. Patient position will be in supine, head, trunk, pelvis in neutral, arms at sides, and legs uncrossed. The therapist will be on the palpated side. Use the first dorsal web space of the hand and slide it from the shin upwards until you encounter a shelf. That will be the knee joint line. From there, the middle of the web space will lie directly in front of the patellar ligament. If you switch to your index and middle finger and go slightly inferiorly, then you can palpate a bony prominence. That will be the tibial tuberosity. If you move your finger superiorly, then you can palpate the patellar apex. And if you keep moving your finger superiorly, then you will arrive at the patellar base, and just above that will be the quadriceps tendon. So do you want to know how to palpate the medial collateral ligament of the knee? If so, then watch this next video. Thank you so much.